PTI was born out of the culture of Philadelphia because many people in the inner city don't enjoy trade skill opportunities.
You can do demolition. You get heavy equipment training as well when you reach, certain amount of hours. Also, you can be a laborer. You can open your own business. You can do interiors. Not only design, but you can do interior renovations. The pay is really good as well. So, compensation is good, so it's important.
People who are unemployed, locked out of the skilled labor market, and never have a real opportunity to build upon real good, strong careers to take care of their families.